This equipment, which we just started on the commission because in room 2, we promised that even room 1.
Associate Professor Dr. Musa Kayondo urukura obstetrics and gynecology ashobora ko ekitanda eki kiri kwija kushemezwaho abakazi b'okuzaara utiriho n'abarwaire abandi.
Can do any operation in this, not only on the women, definitely. It was being brought in because of the mothers of this side, but we can also work on other people, even with the men can work on us. And the bed, very good bed, can do the operation, any operation, whichever side you want, you can tilt it.
Dr. Felix Mbarara yawerekebye ekitanda ekikiine okutanaho n'ebindi ebirukukozesebwa abokuba eki nikikozesebwa remote kandi n'okukira okukora.
It's a very high-tech equipment. It's an anesthesia machine. It comes fully equipped with its own monitor, patient monitor, which helps us to monitor vitals, blood pressure, oxygen saturation, ECG, and also has invasive blood pressure monitoring. Invasive is where you are basically monitoring the blood pressure of the patient, beat per beat.
Original Dr. Leos Twesije urukora nka mukuru w'irwariro eri yahamya ko ekitanda eki n'ekya kabiri eky'omutindo ogu kandi bakyesiimiramu.
Kabiri omu irwariro ryaitu kandi nibiruga omu mikago yaitu etaha Amerika bakaija beizire batutayayire nitwe twabatayayise omu senta zaitu kubarebire ebyoma biitu bahurira bakwata aho bagira ekyetengo ngu batwere twongera aha mutindo gw'ebyoma ebiri aha nkorensia.
Dr. Deusi nayongera ashobora ko ekitanda eki kirabangwiza emirimo yaabo ahabwa tekinologiya eibiine wagerageranisa n'ebindi.
Wabeire balonda ngu omutwe gw'omurwaire gwimukye koona naguza ahansi ohindura koomapu ogwo kaburi omurimo ogundi aha rubaju mbwene erindaara tuhirirwe twarirugaho hata ekitwine gukora no kumiga ipesha ekitanda kikaimuka tukamiga ipesha kikaza ahansi tukamiga ipesha kikabyamira buryo tukamiga ipesha kikabyamira bumosho tukamiga ipesha nk'abarura kuri kurebaga akashuma tukamiga ipesha kakaimuka ebyo rero kureba tumiga ipesha n'ikirungi honga nzitekwa kugeza aho kukirwanira ngo kigumene kikora.
Irwariro rya Mbarara Regional Rifaaro Hospital riine ebishengye 8 eby'okushemerezamu kandi nibashemeza abantu okurwa omu burengye bw'izooba barikuhika omutwaro. Ekitanda eki ekyatongozibwa nikibaasa kukora emirimo mingi y'omutaano. Ndi Olivia Kamusime abwa Tayari West omuri Mbarara.
We move 10,000 deliveries, of which 55% are cesarean sections, those who need operations. We also do, as you know, this is a Rifaaro site for all the entire southwestern and western